TikTok has become one of my favorite apps to learn crochet tips, and today I am going to try 10 TikTok crochet hacks and see if they are really worth it. Hello and welcome to my channel. Before we dive into the video, first I want to make a giveaway at my latest pattern. If you like the pattern, comment with a heart emoji and I will choose 3 of you to send the written pattern before I release the video tutorial. Now let's start with the TikTok hacks. Watch out for number 7. I tried this hack and must say it is a little confusing at first, but when you practice it does become easier. For my opinion, this crochet hack is worth it since it makes your crochet work more clean.
Crocheting while walking? Yeah, and when you need to pay attention, just put it back and continue with your walk. You might think, what if it's fall off? Just squeeze the hair tie real tight. And when you're home, you just hang it up and continue crocheting. You can make it at home right now with 3 items. Also, crochet lying down. That is so good for your posture, like your back won't be cracking, you know. And when you're done, just hang it up.
To try the second hack, you need a knitting needle, 2 hair ties, and if you have a bag strap, use it, but I used a chain I made. I tried it with the plush yarn, but I think since it wasn't a round ball of yarn it did not work, so I tried it with a different yarn and it worked perfectly. As the girl said in the video, you can take it with you if you would like to crochet when you walk, but since I do not crochet when I walk, I don't think I will be using this one. But overall I think is a great hack.
Show me the life hack that you randomly saw one day that is now an unconscious standard practice in your life. I'll go first.
This would be a great hack, but I don't like wearing Crocs and I move constantly. This hack is one of my favorites. Honestly, I don't know how I haven't thought about that before. Since I don't have hair clips, I used one of my daughter's and I love how it works. So simple yet so effective, 10 out of 10 for me. Now I should buy some other hair clips. This hack is one of my least favorite. I stayed a whole hour even off camera to practice to make it easier to work with, but it didn't work for me. My crochet work looked too tight. I really loved this one too. For this hack you need 2 soda can tabs to crochet a simple heart keychain. It turned out super cute and it was super easy to crochet. This awk is worth trying and I will be using this from now on. I didn't have the exact container, but I used something similar to that and it works amazing. 10 out of 10. You should try it too. I don't know about you guys, but for me this is an issue. Sometimes it would mess my crochet work when I used plush yarn. This hack works, but please be careful with the lighter. Do not leave it too much on the yarn to prevent burning your work. Just use it for 2 to 3 seconds. It will do the work just fine. I tried it and I love it. You know, if you have watched my previous tutorials, you have seen that I don't use a magic ring, instead I use the 3-chain method. With this hack, I can do the magic ring and I think it is very easy.
So I've been using one of these metal crochet hooks lately, and I gotta tell you, the pad of my thumb hurts so bad, so let's make an ergonomic grip for it in like less than a minute for $3. It's gonna be great. Okay, so I got these beauty blenders from the dollar store, and they feel firm but also soft. I mean, if you've ever used a beauty blender, you know. So I think these would be good as grippies. So I'm gonna grab an all pointy stick and a block of wood so it doesn't ruin my table. That's it. That's the tutorial. No, basically that's it. I am gonna take a knitting needle just to make the hole a little bit bigger. Oh no! Don't do that. So you gotta start on the hook end and push through. But like, there we go. Ta-da! And now number 2. And there. For $3. I mean, it looks funny. But that feels nice. Like, that's pretty good. I'm not mad about that. So I've been using it for over a week now, and the thickness was a little bit to get used to, but honestly, it has made a huge difference. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
This is the last hack that I will be trying for today. To be honest, I was skeptical at first, but when I tried it, wow, that is what I can say. It is soft, it feels super, and you don't need to spend a lot of money to make this. I really hope you liked this video. Have you tried any of those hacks? If so, which one did you like more? If you know more crochet hacks, please write in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you at the next video.